Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to have a cold start on the Cub Cadet Kawasaki. Just pulled this engine apart and cleaned it all out. Dry tank. Pulled the front end off of it, cleaned out the overhead valve, pulled this whole piece out, and the chamber was full of carbon buildup. I'm going to fill her up. This is 91 octane gasoline. That's all I ever run on my small engines. Because when you run 85 or 87, it gums engines up and they only last for a short period of time. Plus 91 just gives them more power, they can cut through the grass better. Better cut. Okay, nice and full now. I do not have a kill switch on this, so that just sits there. My kill has been dislocated. I didn't get this lawnmower with a kill, so I'm going to wait for a second for the carb, for the fuel, to go through the fuel line and fill the carb up. It's a pretty good lawnmower. Just fixed the dipstick again. Dipstick likes to break, so see if she sucks anything up. Cool, she's got something in the primer. Like David's Farm would say, prime for a good time. Okay, see how she sounds. Sounding a lot stronger. Come on, shut off. There we go. That's how I shut her off. I just pushed the throttle all the way forwards and let it kill. So she's starting up real good now. I had to pull it a few times to get the feel through the carburetor, but that's through now, so it should start up first time every time. It's a good 100% lawnmower. This is sweet. It's Canadian made. It's got six gears. It's got the electric transmission. This thing is just sweet. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, YouTubers. See ya. Bye.